My name's Amina. Some of you might know me as Mina Shoots, and I'm a visual content creator. I chose creating visual concepts such as photography and videography mainly because there wasn't many Somali people in terms of females, and I realised Somali as a community we were always oral traditional storytelling people, and I wanted to take that and turn it into a more visual concept of storytelling. I think one of the main challenges that I've faced is being female. People underestimate it, but as I've started to meddle in with a lot of the Muslim creatives that are in the industry right now, I realise that most of the best people in it are the females. My biggest achievement, I'd probably say it's been documenting Somali Week Festival, which is one of the biggest festivals that happen in Black History Month in London, and it's been happening since the 90s. And another one of mine is probably documenting the International Somali Awards, the first ever one. Where I want to take this, inshallah, I want to teach young Somali kids that are growing up the basic skills of photography taking and editing. And inshallah, I plan to release my first short film. Stay tuned.